We've connected the Scuba Mobile to the Scuba probe, and the Scuba Link app allows us to read out the probe. Open the app and it will connect automatically. You will land on the home screen, where you see an overview of the parameters which are being measured at the moment. You'll also see some options at the top. You can take a snapshot of your screen. You can also take some auto snaps of the measurements. Here you clean the probe sensors. When you click on it, you'll see that the wiper is turning. And with Connect, you can connect another Scuba Mobile. Last is the logging option. You can set up the logging interval from once per minute to once in several hours. And if you have set the desired logging interval, simply click Done. Under Files, you can see all your stored snapshots and the log files available in the probe. These files can be exported here. You can also select a snapshot to forward it by email or export it. The log files can be read out with the Scuba Link app. You can download these here, as well as the snapshots. The third option in the menu is to calibrate your probe for the various parameters that your probe measures. For instance, if you select pH unit, you can set up the calibration for the first point and enter a value, then set up the second point. When finished, you'll have the possibility to send the calibration diagnostics report to any email address. In the Settings menu here, you can set the sensors which are active in the probe and the parameters they measure. Say, for example, that you want to measure the parameter ammonia. Simply click on it and it will be added to the list of selected parameters. You can also remove them. There are more options in the settings, like display settings and other settings. Detailed information on all of these is in the manual, which can be downloaded from our website.